If you have zero and you are affiliate to wallet, do this. So make money online is easy on like 1, 2, 3, but need to have a proper solution and need to have a proper mind and proper plan for that to make money online. So hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be a Review channel. And this video I'm going to share with you that how you can make money with this specific topic on the ClickBank. Whether you're using the ClickBank Warrior Plus JBZoo or any other affiliate networks, you can simply use and start making money online. So if you want to watch the video to the very end of this video, and you will fully understand at the end of this video right here that how you can make money on Autopilot with this free traffic source and target free traffic source. So actually this is a free traffic source with really targeting that people just require and ask for solution, support and help, and we are going to help them. At the backside we can have a conversion for our product to make money online from that. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this specific strategy and this unique strategy that really and 100% converting strategy. And the end of this video you can see the result. At the end of this video I'm also going to share with you a bonus ClickBank product software actually that can help you the most from there. And if you are agree, you can join that program and you can start making more money online than this right here. So stay tuned to the very end of this video and hit the like button as an appreciation, and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for future making money online videos with free or paid traffic sources. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the ClickBank right here. So once you sign up with the ClickBank right here, then you can simply log into your account. I have already logged into my account, and this is the marketplace right away here on the ClickBank surface right here. You can simply click on the marketplace and you will be redirected to this page right here. So for that reason, we need to just promote a specific product with this free traffic source actually that we can maximize the result from here. So as you can see here on the left side, there is money category that there are main money categories actually that you can simply just get it any category you want. So you can basically just click on that and start promoting the products from that. So with this traffic source, I'm going to share with you with health and fitness. Just click on that and then see the subcategories right away here. Once you see the subcategories right here and the health and fitness category, you can see like dental health, dietary supplement, diet and weight loss, exercise and fitness. So from these all, you can simply just scroll down to this nutrition or remedies. Just click on the remedies subcategory right here on the health and fitness. So once you click on that, the remedies, you will be redirected to this page right here, the health and fitness subcategory remedies right here. So then you can simply scroll down and you will see a lot of products right here on the subcategories or remedies and the health and fitness category. For example, like diabetes freedom, back pain, the kidney disease solution right here, sono diabetes secrets, and the Parkinson's disease protocol or something like that, high blood pressure. So we can simply just promote one product right away here, which will be the back pain breakthrough high converting vessel. Okay, so this is the main product that we are going to promote with this specific strategy, which will pay us something like $45 plus 81 cents actually for conversion right here. And I'm going to share with you this exciting strategy that it will be just a two payload actually, and absolutely targeted traffic that we can simply promote right here. So basically we can simply click on this link right here and we can simply just move to the sales page, and we can simply click right here to just move to the affiliate tools area right here. So this is the sales page that will be the first a video that here it will be written how to fix low back pain instantly, and there is 14,577 plus use relaxing movement daily to improve posture and reduce back pain. So here is a short video that people can watch right here related to this product right here. And here they give us, for example, that CNN, Discover, Fox, CBC, ABC as seen. And for example, that this method is available and seen on these biggest worldwide channels right here, and they are promoting these contents right here by the help of these biggest channels right here. So what you need to do, for that reason we can simply promote the product, which is really convertible and it's a brilliant video. I will not just tap to resume the video because I have already watched the video. You can watch yourself because that's really interesting video, that if anybody watch it, so they can just convert easily into that. So we can simply move to the second part, which will be the affiliate tools area right here, that we can simply have tap converting email swipe right here, and payment details and commissions right here. So that is a lot of things available on this page right here, that we can simply just learn each and everything. And here is the reason that people convert into that, so you can just read by yourself one by one. I can simply just make this video shortened to just save your time. So just click on the convert email swipe right here. Once you click on that, the cursor will move into this part that gets your swipes right here. You can definitely just click right here. Once you click on that, then you will be visited to this page right here, that you can simply see here that you can grab your affiliate link or half link from here, and you can simply just scroll down, and then you will see the email swipe as a title or the subject line right here, and here is be another the email swipe right here, which will be available. So for that reason we only need right here the affiliate links, whether you are copying from here or just moving, for example, from there. So what you need to do, you can simply change this affiliate ID into your ClickBank ID right here, and this tracking ID means this one, 4x, you can simply change into your tracking ID. Whatever is that, you can simply add, that you can understand from where the sales come right here. So make sure that you change affiliate ID into your own ClickBank ID, and just tracking ID into your understandable ID, that you can simply discover from where the sales come right here. If you don't know where to find affiliate ID right here, if you are brand new to the ClickBank, you can simply just go back to the ClickBank and you can scroll up right here, and here you can see welcome. Beside welcome, you can see here your tracking ID. This is my tracking ID, but of course for your one it will be written right here, that you can simply add in that. So that is the way that you can convert your sales into profit right here. So once you grab your affiliate links from here, the next step is that you can simply just go to the website like fastlink.net, which is a free landing page. So if you use this product with directly with a shortening link on bit.ly or in URL and then move, so you will be forbidden and you will be banned, your account will be restricted. So for that reason, we just need to use fastlink.net. You can use any pre-landing page like Linktree, Wix.com, Blogger.com, WordPress.com. You can simply just create a pre-landing page there, and you can redirect people into that. But this is really simple and easy. Fastlink.net. You can simply just click on the start now. Once you click on the start now, you will have this page available right here. You can simply add your title, description, and your link right here. So for that way, we just need to back to here, and then we can simply just add, for example, this link right here. Sorry, the title. Let me just move to the title right here. I can simply just select this title, and then I can go back right here to the main website, paste the link right here, and go and just copy a short description right here. Okay, I think this will be enough. But there is a bigger email swipe. We can simply, if we are just promoting email marketing, so we can do that there. Okay, so then we can simply right here for more details, click here, for example, to learn, okay, something like that, and we can simply add our affiliate links right here. So the affiliate links, as I told you, you can simply just go right here, for example. So oops, we can simply just go right here. This will be the affiliate links from here that I can simply just copy from here, and then I can simply just move back right here to this website and just paste it right here. So it's better to understand the affiliate ID into our own ID right here, so that it converts into my sales. And the tracking ID, I can simply use the free traffic or something like that. I can simply see here, and then I can simply just copy this link from here because it's a really big link. So I can simply go to the bit.ly or tiny URL, just click on the create button right here and paste the link right here, and then click on the create link here. So once I click on the create, it will shorten my link, and I can simply just copy that shortened link and go back to pastelink.net right here and just remove this and paste that one right here. So it will be a shortened link, and this will be a clickable link that everybody can click on that right here. So once I'm done with that, then I can simply scroll down, make sure that each and everything is public, never right here, never expired, and then you can simply scroll down and just give sorry, you can simply just give okay, so let me refresh the page. It is expired now. Okay, let me just copy for the next time. Let me just refresh the page. Okay, the page is refreshed, and you can simply just use right here and then go back right here and copy the title once again. And then come back right here to the main page and just paste it. And then you can simply scroll down, and here I can click I'm not a robot, and then click on the publish. Once I click on the publish right here, so my link will be published, and it will look something like this. When people redirect to my link, so they will see the title right here, and then they can simply see here the description, and then they can simply see here a clickable link right away here that they can simply click on that. So I can simply just copy the short link from here, or copy link, so it doesn't matter. I can simply just copy one, and I can start promoting that link anywhere I want right here. So the first tip will be that actually that you just need to go to twitter.com, which is a 6.5 billion pre-traffic source, which is a huge traffic source, and it is really a unique and exciting traffic that we have never seen before. Like this is 6.5 billion people are each month visiting to this website right here for absolutely free. And there are many people that they are coming from the United States, as you can see here, 25% United States, then Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Canada, which are all the top countries that we do want right here. So what you need to do, we can simply just type right here like back pain with the hashtag, with the quotation mark right here. We can simply just add this one right here. Once we just add it right here, then we can simply see here back pain options. Like this guy has posted on December 3rd, back pain. I am too young for this back pain, means she or he is just teasing from the back pain right here. And you can see here another one right here, for example, that this is also causing back pain. For example, me 24/7 with my back pain, means teasing all the time from the back pain. And this one is another one, and another one, another. But what you need to do for a smartest way, you need to just click on the latest right here. Once you click on the latest right here, you will see all the latest posts that a minute ago this guy has posted. My back pain is getting worse again, means she's teasing, and this is offside, no goal. Okay, contact Bruce, there it is. Okay, let me just see here. I have extreme back pain, okay, as you can see here, and this is another one, for example, back pain and back pain. So you can see unlimited targeted people right away here that they are teasing from the back pain, so they need a solution, or they need to have a help and support, and we are going definitely just going to help them. And at the back side we can earn the money from that right here. So we can simply just click right here, for example, um, as you can see here, this guy 14 seconds ago this guy posted right here. So if they don't have that, then they are against story policies. But this is something else, we don't need to just go with that. we can simply see here the post like back pain. I just work off with a terrible back pain. As you can see here, they need for help. So we can simply just click on the reply button right here, and we are going to just reply here. I just I just find out, for example, just find out a better solution for this back pain, and if you are still uh, if you are still having, you can use, for example, this right here, and then you can simply add your link, which is the passlink.net link, and that way they can simply read your comments or reply, and they can simply, not only this guy but other people who are looking for backend solution, they can also come through your reply, and they can also see your link. So this is a free targeted traffic source, and you can simply hit the reply button for that, and then you can simply redirect people toward your topic right here. So this is not only one person, there are unlimited person in each minute, seconds. People from all over the world are just asking for solution, and you will be good to go with them to have a better solution for them. So what you need to do, we can simply click on the reply button right here, and that will be posted right here. Then you can start with the next one, then another one, and another one, and another one right here. As you can see here, it is tweeted right here. Your tweet was sent, means it is a reply to this person right here. And if you can see here, there is another one. I can simply, or you can simply just copy that tweet, and you can just post it into multiple people at the same time. You can simply send to multiple people in a hour, to something like from 20 to 30 or 35 people in 1 hour. You can send this tweet, and then you can simply edit, and after 1 hour you can send to any others one right here. So this is a free targeted traffic source that you can simply see here. And another coolest way is here that you can simply use this traffic, another traffic source with the same link and the same description right here, by just going to the facebook.com. Facebook is another greatest traffic that you can simply just move there, and you can simply see here, and you can simply just tap back then, and then you can simply click on the groups right here, and you will see unlimited groups available right here that many people are asking for solution for the back pain, and you need to help them and promote your products in front of them. So that's why it is a really amazing, exciting strategy that work 100% for everybody who are promoting affiliate products right here. As you can see here, there are unlimited groups. You can simply join those groups and interact with them right away there, and start promoting your product on this website right here, as well as here. So if you want to make more money online than this, then check out the link in the description, and I will show you the CB profit site, which is the traffic site actually to your affiliate links from the ClickBank right here. And that is all a two-pilot system. You just need to log into your account right here. It's a cloud-based system. Once you can simply log into your account, then you can simply add your ClickBank ID right here, and then they will move you to the free traffic source and a two-pilot system. And they also have the bonuses at the bottom, for different bonuses right here. You can simply read and have those bonuses for absolutely free on this software. If you want to make more money online, then just check out the link in the description for this software, and you can simply go with paid traffic as well right here, or paid method as well right here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more brilliant videos like this and the future. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.